Can VLC really upscale video? Yes, it can improve playback in real time, but the result is not exported as a saved upscaled file. That distinction matters. VLC changes how the video looks on your screen, but it does not render a new MP4 for you to keep. For NVIDIA RTX Video Super Resolution, start with an RTX 2060 or newer, driver 537.42 or later, Windows 10 version 22H2, or Windows 11, and a recent VLC build. Update the NVIDIA driver. Enable Super Resolution in NVIDIA Control Panel. Set VLC output to Direct 3D11. Then restart VLC and play a 1080p or lower source. Output modules. Direct 3D11 is the best Windows choice and the path for RTX VSR. OpenGL is useful on macOS or Linux. UV is the slower compatibility fallback. On any GPU, try sharpen around 1.2 and add HQD and 3D denoising. Use anti-flickering for animation, and keep sharpening moderate to avoid halos. If VLC looks washed out, check the color range in the output module settings. Set it to full, restart VLC, and reload the clip. Our starting checklist is Direct 3D11, RTX Super Resolution Level 3, Post-Processing Level 4, Full Color Range, Automatic Hardware Decoding, and Skip Frames Off. VLC still has 3 hard limits. It cannot export the enhanced video, RTX VSR is NVIDIA only, and filters sharpen existing information, rather than inventing new detail. When you need a permanent higher resolution file, UniFab is the next step. The article shows the enhancement result here, using the actual example from the guide. Step 1. Download and launch UniFab. Open all features. Choose Upscaler or the RTX mode that fits your needs. Then select Add Video to import the source clip. Step 2. Choose the output resolution and the enhancement model for your video. Check the settings. Then select Start to begin the upscaling process. After processing, UniFab saves the enhanced result as a standard MP4. Use the product link below to try the workflow with your own footage.